I welcome you all for the session 3 on interference of light for BSc 4th semester. The learning objective of the session is to understand the Young's double slit experiment, coherent sources, theory of interference of light. Okay, Young's double slit experiment. Thomas Young demonstrated the interference phenomena in 1801. The arrangement is as shown in figure 1. Light from a monochromatic source is incident on a screen having a narrow slit S in it. The cylindrical waves emerging from it are allowed to fall on another screen containing two closed, narrow and parallel slits S1 and S2. The slits S1 and S2 are parallel to the slit S. The cylindrical waves emerges from the two slits S1 and S2 superimpose, and the resultant intensity of light is studied by arranging another screen at a suitable distance as shown in figure 1. On the screen, bright and dark bands known as interference bands are seen. The waves arriving in the phase at a point on the screen from bright band and the waves arriving out of phase at a point on the screen from a dark band at that point. Okay, this is a figure. In figure it is clearly, you can see that the source of light is there, which the light passes through the S and made to fall on the double slit S1 and S2. This is the experiment arrangement of Young's. Okay, theory of interference. Let two interfering waves at any point in the region of superposition are given by y1 is equal to a into sine omega t and y2 is equal to a into sine of omega t plus phi. By principle of superposition of waves, y is equal to y1 plus y2. Therefore, y is equal to a1 sine omega t plus a2 into sine omega t plus phi. a1 sine omega t plus a2 into sine omega t cos phi plus a2 into cos omega t into sine phi. Okay, according to sine of a plus b is equal to sine a cos b plus cos a sine b, then y is equal to a1 plus a2 into cos phi into sine omega t plus a2 into sine phi into cos omega t, or y is equal to a cos theta into sine omega t plus a sine theta into cos omega t. Call that as equation number 1, where a cos theta is equal to a1 plus a2 cos phi and a sin theta is equal to a2 into sin phi. This implies that y is equal to a into sin omega t cos theta plus cos omega t into sin theta. Therefore, y is equal to, this is of the form sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Therefore, this can be written as a into sin of omega t plus theta. Call that as equation number 3, where a is the resultant amplitude of interfering waves. Now, squaring and adding equations 1 and 2, we get equation 1 is a cos theta whole square plus a sin theta whole square is equal to a1 plus a2 into cos phi whole square plus a2 sin phi whole square. Therefore, a square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta is equal to a1 square plus a2 square plus cos square phi plus 2a1 a2 cos phi plus a2 square sin square phi. Therefore, a square is equal to a1 square plus a2 square into cos square phi plus sin square phi plus 2a1 a2 into cos phi. A square is equal to a1 square plus a2 square 2a1 a2 into cos phi. Because cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, therefore we will get a square is equal to a1 square plus a2 square plus 2a1 a2 into cos phi. Call it as equation number 4. Okay. Okay, the recapitulation of the session. Here we understood the interference of light, Young's double slit experiment, theory of interference of light. Okay, let us see some multiple choice questions regarding this session. The first question two sources of light are said to be coherent if they emit light of dash. Option A, same frequency. Option B, same wavelength. Option C, same amplitude. Option D, all of the above. Therefore, two sources of light are said to be coherent if they emit a light of same frequency, same wavelength and same amplitude. Therefore, answer is option D, all the above, A, B and C. Second question. Thomas Young demonstrated dash phenomena of light. A, interference. Option B, diffraction. Option C, polarization. Option D, none of these. Therefore, Thomas Young demonstrated the phenomena of light, interference phenomena of light. Therefore, answer is option A. It is interference. Okay, thank you for watching.